20.
Oh, geez, that little bit of gimbal there.
15.
Here we go. Good luck,
10.
Firefly.
9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Zulu.
RC transition operation procedures to PRC MLP 1435. IT commits PRC MLP 1457. Report anomaly. Please confirm I have no fires on the pad. I have no visual. Please confirm no fires on the pad. Moving to ground.
I'm looking. I'm about to send them all to pad sweep. Cameras are sweeping the pad.
Plus 32 seconds.
Stage 2 pressure's up.
Prop call.
Prop is nominal.
Oh my god, they're doing it!
GNC.
I'm seeing a dip in VMAG.
There's no
Again,
no fires on the pad.
Avionics.
Responding AVI. S1 pressure profile nominal. Avionics power nominal.
The
Telemetry
first
is
ever
nominal.
attempt. This is their first ever attempt at going to space and going into orbit ever. And they're coming up right now on maximum aerodynamic pressure. That is the moment where the vehicle will experience
Plus 130.
the most amount of aerodynamic pressure. So this is when you're really testing your fuselage. Is it going to hold up? We are going through that right now. So the vehicle is clearly holding up. That is a great milestone. We might even hear Max Q call out on the comms
Not yet
net.
supersonic.
Not yet supersonic. That's maybe not great. The vehicle, there's a chance it could be slightly underperforming, but again, we'll wait to hear official call outs here. But this, again, first launch attempt ever of this vehicle. It's unbelievable. They got off on their first try on their first day of their first attempt ever. This is unbelievable. Again, if they get to stage separation, that's going to be a huge milestone.
Vehicle is supersonic.
Vehicle is supersonic. Wow. That's a good...
Anomaly.
Vehicle is anomaly.
There has been an anomaly.
Move the anomaly team to procedure MLP